Welcome to my RFNews channel. Length of a day shrinks on Mars as red planet spins faster than ever, NASA says. The days on Mars are getting shorter, and it's because the red planet is accelerating. Not by much, a fraction of a millisecond per year, but enough for scientists on Earth to be able to detect it. However, they can't explain it. The planet's spin rate was measured by NASA's InSight Mars lander, which operated for 4 years before running out of power during its extended mission in December 2022. Using a radio transponder and antennas collectively called the Rotation and Interior Structure Experiment, RISE, researchers were able to determine the planet's rotation is accelerating. Scientists on Earth beamed radio signals to the lander using NASA's Deep Space Network, an international array of giant radio antennas. RISE reflected the signal back, allowing the team to look for tiny changes in frequency caused by the Doppler shift and enabling them to determine how fast the planet is rotating. "It's really cool to be able to get this latest measurement, and so precisely," said InSight's principal investigator, Bruce Bannard, of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. "I've been involved in efforts to get a geophysical station like InSight onto Mars for a long time, and results like this make all those decades of work worth it." The study, published in Nature, examined data from InSight's first 900 days, or sols, on Mars. "What we're looking for are variations that are just a few tens of centimeters over the course of a Martian year," said lead author and RISE principal investigator Sébastien Lemaistre, from the Royal Observatory of Belgium. "It takes a very long time and a lot of data to accumulate before we can even see these variations." In addition to collecting the data, the team also has to verify it, eliminating any other factors that may have had an effect on the radio waves, such as solar winds and moisture in the atmosphere. While the team haven't yet discovered why Mars is speeding up, one theory is the accumulation of ice at the poles. Another is a phenomenon known as post-glacial rebound, where land masses rise after being buried by ice. In a statement, NASA said this shift in a planet's mass can cause it to accelerate a bit like an ice skater spinning with their arms stretched out, then pulling their arms in. The experiment continues a long tradition of Mars landers furthering our understanding of the planet using radio waves, starting with the twin Viking landers in the 1970s and Pathfinder in the 1990s. "It's a historic experiment," said Lemaistre. "We have spent a lot of time and energy preparing for the experiment and anticipating these discoveries. But despite this, we were still surprised along the way, and it's not over, since RISE still has a lot to reveal about Mars." In contrast, days on Earth have been getting longer as its rotation has been slowing down, due to a braking effect applied by the Moon, which redistributes Earth's mass by tugging at the oceans. Since Mars doesn't have oceans, it's unlikely to be the reason for its varied spin. Scientists will need to research the cause of the acceleration further. Source: Metro.com. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.